Proportion 7. Proportion affects contrast and balance. Time to test yourself. Test yourself. Each correct answer will appear after a few seconds. Contrast. Identify at least 6 different types of contrast in this 18th century 6-pound note. Warm versus cool colors. Red versus blue versus brown versus black. Casual versus precise. Horizontal versus vertical. Larger versus smaller details. Symmetry versus asymmetry. See anything else? Identify at least 6 types of contrast in this assembled image. Angular versus circular. Moving versus contained. Natural versus contrived. Coarse versus smooth. Casual versus formal. Bright versus medium versus dark. See anything else? Identify at least 6 types of contrast in this assembled image. Round versus irregular. Stable versus agitated. Lines versus shapes. Yellow versus white versus black. Horizontal versus vertical. Fragmented versus whole. Organic versus programmed. See anything else? Identify at least 6 types of contrast in this assembled image. Bold versus subdued. Ornate versus simple. Modern versus traditional fonts. Wide versus narrow fonts. Red versus black versus white. Horizontal versus vertical. Randomness versus controlled. See anything else? Balance. Identify at least 2 types of balance in this mixed media image. Symmetrical. It appears in the red half sphere. Asymmetrical. It appears in the background textures. Identify all the different types of balance in this assembled image. Diagonally symmetric. The rose in the tree. Randomly asymmetric. The 3 circles. Radially symmetric. The burst behind the rose. Identify all the different types of balance in this mixed media image. Vertical symmetry, which is where the rope and the wood panel occur. Random asymmetry. Lower half. Noton, overall balance where neither upper or lower half dominate. Identify all the different types of balance in this assembled image. asymmetry in the upper portion and overall. Noton, overall balance where neither upper or lower half dominate.